Welcome to the world of real estate, where deals can be as fragile as they are lucrative. In the next few seconds, I'm going to uncover 5 deal breakers that can turn a promising real estate transaction into a missed opportunity. Hi, I'm Theresa Jordan, owner, coach, mentor, trainer, and all things in between of the #1 Century 21 office in the Puget Sound area. First up, poor property appraisal. An appraisal much lower than an offer can derail a deal pretty quickly. It raises doubts about the property's value and can cause financial issues for the buyer. Always ensure the property is priced in line with the market and avoid appraisal issues. This is something that your real estate broker can help you with. Next, financial fall through. A buyer's financing is the backbone of most real estate transaction. If a buyer's mortgage approval falls through at the last minute, the deal will collapse. Sellers should consider buyers who have a mortgage pre-approval and stable financial background. Third, overlooked repairs. Significant issues uncovered during a home inspection can scare off buyers or lead to negotiations. Addressing major repairs needed beforehand and being upfront about them can prevent deals from falling apart post-inspection. Fourth, title issues. A clear title is crucial for a smooth transaction. Unresolved liens or disputes over property boundaries can cause significant delays or even cancel a deal. Ensuring the property's title is clear before listing is super important, and again, something that your broker can help you with. Lastly, cold feet. It happens. Both buyers and sellers can experience a change of heart. This is often due to emotional factors or finding a better deal elsewhere. While it's hard to predict, maintaining open, honest communication and building good rapport can help keep everyone committed to the deal. This is precisely why having a trusted, knowledgeable real estate agent is crucial. They navigate these complexities, offer expertise and guidance at every step. A good agent anticipates potential issues, advises on the best course of action, and works tirelessly to ensure that the deal stays on track. They are your advocate, your negotiator, and your advisor, turning potential deal breakers into a successful closing. In real estate, being aware of the potential deal breakers and having a professional by your side is key. Navigating these carefully so that you are able to see that deal through is important.